Hello friends. So in today's TechnoFunda analysis video, we will be covering about one capital intensive business in the power sector. And so let's start with the technical charts first. So the stock name is Tata Power. एंड जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे उसने जो हाई था 2008 में बनाया था एंड आफ्टर दैट फॉर अराउंड 13 years द स्टॉक वाज इन करेक्शन अराउंड 13 to 12 to 13 years स्टॉक वाज इन करेक्शन एंड ये जो करेक्शन स्टॉक ने दिया था इट वाज ऑफ अराउंड 83% इन 12 years. सो बहुत बड़ा करेक्शन था फॉर टाटा पावर. एंड अभी जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं स्टॉक ने लास्ट ईयर बॉटम बना के इट इज नाउ रैलिंग गोइंग अप. And also recently in the month of Feb, stock had given a good breakout above this particular level. So ये जो डाउन ट्रेंड का ब्रेकआउट स्टॉक ने दिया है ये ऑन अ मंथली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट. एंड इफ वी कैलकुलेट द टारगेट फॉर दिस breakout, so I will just use a same method that we are using for long time. And the target for this stock will be around 227 in this case. 227 to 230 would be the target based on this monthly monthly trend line breakout. And this target is for the investors, the short term the positional traders that are having their position. And abhi jo breakout deke stock is already up, so I won't suggest to buy investors or a positional trader to buy this particular stock because ये जो stock है वो 43% already rally कर चुका है. But what one can do is add this particular stock on dip. अगर ये नीचे थोड़ा सा भी आता है to around 110 level, then one can accumulate this particular stock in this for investment or positional trade based on this monthly time frame breakout. And also I will show you Dow theory. तो अभी हम Dow theory भी देखेंगे इसमें. So this was a downtrend for this particular stock. So this was the recent high for this particular stock, and वो high भी breakout same ही region पे किया है. So basically the stock is now forming lower lows, higher highs in this particular stock. ये जो high break करके now it is forming higher highs, and the stock is in uptrend right now. So on monthly time frame chart, the stock has given a good breakout with the volumes as well. And the trend have changed in this particular stock. An investor or positional trader can add this particular stock for on dips, particularly at around 110 levels. And also if we check the daily chart, I have plotted a trend line. So the stock had given a breakout yesterday about this trend line. So this was basically रेजिस्टेंस फॉर द स्टॉक. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस क्या था, यहाँ पे भी रेजिस्टेंस क्या था, यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट देके इट वाज द ब्रेकआउट विद वॉल्यूम्स. सो ये ब्रेकआउट स्टॉक ने दिया है कल. And now it is just a red candle, normal red candle after the breakout. So if we calculate the target for this breakout, then the target will be of around 145 in this particular case. So the 144 in this case. So a short-term trader, it is just for 1 month max. Short-term trader can use this particular breakout and can buy this stock for a target of 144 in this case. And also if this break this particular level, then the stock will move higher. So if it breaks 133 and close above this, then possibly we can see higher levels as well in this particular stock. So this is about Tata Power technical analysis. So without fundamental analysis, uh, this won't help. So let's start with the fundamentals. So the company's price is 133, the book value is 65, and the price to book is around 2. अगर हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस देखें कंपनी का, so company's profit is decreasing from 2015. यहाँ से वो डिक्रीज हो रहा है, but again in 2021 it had regained around the same level of 2015. So also if we check the EPS, then EPS was decreasing and अभी भी वो decrease ही कर रहा है. Net profit is slightly increased from compared to the last year. The company is paying dividend. If we check the balance sheet, then the company's reserves is increasing. Borrowings had increased to 2020, but the company is had decreased their borrowings. Still, the main fundamental rules that says reserves should be more than borrowings is getting violated here, because reserves is 20,000 crores and borrowings is 46,000 crores. So the fundamentals of the company is not so good for the investors. So investors can wait for the company is too fundamental to improve in this case. Although the company is profitable, but the basic fundamental rules gets violated here. If you check the investors' shareholding, then the promoters' stake had increased from 33% to 46.8% in last 2 years, last 3 years, I would say. And also the FI's holding have decreased simultaneously, and DI's holding have also decreased. So promoters are buying their stake in this particular stock. If you check promoter pledging, then there is promoter pledging has also reduced from 3.8 to 1.4 percentage in last 1 year. So this is also a good sign, but still there is a promoter pledging of 1.4, which is not a good sign. So fundamentals of the company is not a good because of the promoter pledging and results being less than borrowing. So fundamentally the company is not good, but the companies can be tracked for the positional trade or for short-term trade, as we have discussed in daily and monthly chart. And the stop loss for the daily time frame chart will be around 118, this particular low level. So this will be the stop loss for the stock and for the short term. And one can see higher targets also if this particular Tata Motor breaks and close above 133.15 in this case. So this is all about the Tata Motors. And if you have learned anything from this video, then you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.